So it's me, Melissa. Oh, sorry, there's some light, but it's in my eyes. But right now, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make slime. So the ones that are returning how to make slime, this is how you make slime. So basically, I'm gonna show you one trick how you can play with slime. It's sticking in my hands. Let's see. Okay. Okay, right there. So you basically do this, and then look. Ta-da! Okay, guys. So yeah. I have slime on my legs. So yeah. Now I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make slime. Take this off my hands. Okay, they're off. Okay, so they're off. You see? So the first thing you'll be needing is some glue. I use washable glue, not Elmer's glue, because the Elmer's glue, basically, let me tell you guys, doesn't come off your clothes. But washable glue comes off your clothes. That's why you use it. So yeah. Okay. Take a bowl plate, okay? And then take your glue, take it out, and then you put some in. I'm putting a little bit. I don't want to waste all my glue. A little bit more. Alright, that's good. So, okay, if you guys are returning how to make slime, yeah, so first put the glue. Then if you want to make, you're going to make foamy slime. We're all going to make foamy slime right now. Okay? So you're going to take some shaving cream. I need shaving cream. My mama works a job. And she gets me shaving cream, so that's why I have a lot of shaving cream, guys. But anyways, talking about that, you have some glue, then you put some shaving cream. Okay, that's enough. I don't want to waste all my shaving cream, because girl, let me tell you, I love my shaving cream. Then you mix it. Mix. You can use food coloring if you guys want. I'm not, because I want white slime. Like this one. So yeah, the one that I just showed you. So mix. Okay. So there. Do that. Then you put that to the side. Okay. Then you take some Tide. If you want to use borax, you can use borax. I use Tide. And then put it in a little bit. A little bit, and then you stir it. Then you put a little bit again. Then you stir it. Okay, guys. And if it gets really you know, like doesn't feel like slime, keep kneading it until you feel like, if it's like not like this, and it's just all over the place full of strings because you put a lot. It's okay if you put a lot, guys. I promise you. It's okay if you put a lot. Alright? But if you put a lot, just keep kneading, and it'll turn into slime. Trust me. I like putting a lot of Tide because, you know, it keeps it not sticky. Put a little bit more Tide. I love Tide. Like, see, alright, I'm gonna do it for you guys. So, if you guys want, put a lot of Tide. Okay, and if it's like that, like I was telling you, like that, and if you want to keep adding Tide, so it won't be that freaking sticky, you know, that thing, you take all those strings and stuff, keep kneading it. And I know it's going to be like that for a little while, but keep kneading it. If you guys put a lot of Tide, you know, you have to keep kneading it, and then look, you have slime. See? And that's so easy. You see, it's so easy, guys. Look, now you have a little bit of slime. Now you have slime. Hope you guys are excited. Hope you guys love slime. Cause you know I love slime, girl. I love slime. You should see my slime collection. Well, I'm gonna post a video about my slime collection. I love slime. You could tell me I don't, but girl, I had a YouTube channel since I was like, let's see, 4. Check that out. It's on the same page. Look at me big now. Alright, so guys, that's how you make slime, foam slime. So if you guys like, please like this video if you like my slime. Okay? It keeps ripping. Rip it. Rip it. And this slime is for my friend Taisha. If you guys don't know, Taisha, she loves slime. And I know she's checking out this video because I'm going to show her this video. And she's my best friend. And this is her slime. So Taisha, if you're watching this video, look at your slime. Look at your slime. Look at your slime. Okay, and I'm going to put red and red sparkles. So don't worry. You're going to have your slime. When I come back to my house, you know, you come downstairs and you get the slime. You know that, right? Alright. And I know you're missing me. I know you're going to come downstairs and see my sister and not me. But you better check out this video. Okay? Because look at the slime. And it's not going away. So, yeah. So, thank you guys for watching this video. And thank you for looking at the slime collection. Not collection, but like slime. I love you guys. And thank you for watching. Bye.